Today we're going to look at how to use the ruler and how to take a quiz, a measurement quiz in Schoology. Okay, so this is an example of the quiz you might see. We're going to measure this box. It says measure the length of side A. So we need a ruler. It's over here on this right hand side in the gray bar. You see ruler, click on it, your ruler pops up. When you move your ruler, you can grab it, move it, you can grab it and spin it. Okay, now we're measuring A, so we want it horizontal like it already was. So we're going to move it over. If you look at the instructions, you want to include the lines. So these lines up above here are called extension lines there, which for the dimension, and we'll learn about those later. Okay, but we want to take this, we want to line it up, and I moved it from horizontal, so try to move it back. And we want to include those lines, not way out here, but you want to get the outside of your zeros right on that outside edge of that blue line. And then you want to measure across to the nearest point over here. Now you're going to be measuring in inches, but either way, we want to measure to the nearest tick mark. So mine is 13, and then there's 1, 2, 3 that we're going to be in there. So mine would be 13.3 centimeters if I'm measuring A. Okay, so then I just write up here at 13.3. If you're measuring inches, well, then you'll go to the nearest inch mark that they have on the inch rulers. If you're measuring something else, and it'll ask you to measure a lot of these different things. If you're measuring something like a diameter, right, just go across here and measure that little center line they have across there. Helps you see where the diameter is at. Again, measure the black lines as well. Don't go on the insides of them. Put your zero right on that outside edge, and then measure over here to the outside edge. If you're going to measure a radius, you measure from this little plus. Okay, so if you need to turn your ruler around, you can. If it helps you to turn it so your zero is that way, and if you want to follow that radius line that they have there, that's fine. It doesn't have to be perfectly lined up with that blue line, but if that helps you. Okay, so put your zero here at the plus and measure the radius to the outside of that black line. Okay, I think that should do it.